Hello friends, how are you? I'm Rakhi and you are watching my educational YouTube channel, that is Biology Prospects. So my last few videos I have already posted, that is related with the circulatory system and on the basis of CBSE and ICSE syllabus. So these are the circulatory system chapter I have already explained, that is a blood, composition of blood, function of heart, structure of heart, and obviously there's a different type of the function of the different blood cells, and what is antigen, antibody, Rh factors. These all are the topics which is included in your syllabus. I have already explained in this particular videos. So I hope that you have already seen that videos. So today this is the last part of the circulatory system. That is our one of our part is a lymphatic system. लिम्फेटिक ग्लैंड और लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम ये लास्ट पार्ट है सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम की जो आज हम एक्सप्लेन करने वाले हैं. Then I will explain. This is the part. It's a very important also because there are only the two liquid connective tissues present in human body. There are several connective tissues are there, but in between all these are the two liquid in the liquid form connective tissue. That is one is blood and there is the lymph. Okay, and basically the blood plasma and the lymph, there is a basic difference is that blood plasma consists several different types of the proteinous part. There's a prothrombin, fibrinogen, or different type of the proteins, antigen, antibodies also be present over there. In the side, beside these are the lymph. This is also a one of a so-called that is a filtered blood plasma, and it is very less amount of the proteins are present over there. Okay, actually lymph consists of WBC, that's a erythrocyte, sorry, leukocytes. Leukocytes are mainly present in the WBC lymphatic part. Okay, and today we will learn various parts of our lymphatic glands or lymph system, and we will also learn that what are the basic difference between the blood and the lymph, and secondly the various type of the lymphatic gland, important lymphatic gland which is present in our body, is in a human body. Okay, so let's begin our today's session. I will prepare a few PPTs over there. You just see the PPTs, and according to that, one by one, I will explain that one. Friends, actually, in biology class standard 10th, there are the questions mainly basic on the ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन, और सो कॉल्ड दैट इज द एमसीक्यू बेसिस क्वेश्चंस. ओके, तो एमसीक्यू बेसिस क्वेश्चन ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस में हम लोगों को ईच एंड एवरी लाइंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. इन दैट ऑफ द सेंस आई एक्सप्लेन दिस आर द ऑल द टॉपिक्स, नॉट ओनली दिस लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम, ऑल द टॉपिक्स, ब्लड्स और ब्लड रिलेटेड, हार्ट रिलेटेड, all the topics I have explained very briefly. Okay, sorry, very elaborately. This is the briefly, I don't explain anything very elaborately, all the topics I am explaining over there. So now today's topic, that is the lymphatic system. So I have see the picture which I have present over there. That is the human body, and the green color, these are the part you have seen over there throughout the body. That is actually the lymphatic vessels, and there are the small white color you have seen, lymphatic nodes. I will explain that one before I explain what is lymph. पहले lymph क्या होता है ये जान लेता है, then after I will explain that one. So lymph is a colorless fluid, and it is formed when the interstitial fluid from the body tissue is collected through the lymph capillaries. Now interstitial fluid क्या होता है फ्रेंड्स, हम लोग पहले पढ़ चुके हैं. जैसे ब्लड हमारे बॉडी में फ्लो होता है, वेनस एंड नॉन वेनस, को भी ब्लड हमारे तीन हमारे बॉडी में ब्लड को कैरी करने के वेन टैक्स होते हैं. एक होता है वेन, एक होता है आर्टरी, और एक होते हैं कैपिलरीज. तो वेन जो छोटे छोटे पार्ट होता है वेन्यूल्स, और आर्टरी के छोटे छोटे ब्रांचेस में डिवाइड हो जाता है, दैट इज आर्टरियोल्स. इज इट नो? सो ये वेन एंड आर्टरी दोनों ऑक्साइड ऑक्सीजनेटेड डीऑक्सीजनेटेड वॉट एवर द ब्लड्स कैरी करते हैं, एंड उसको फिर उसको प्योरीफाई करते हैं, सिस्टमेटिकली फ्लो होता है हमारे बॉडी में. सो ऑल ओवर वॉट एवर द फंक्शन परफॉर्म बाय आवर हार्ट, in basis, main function of the blood supply the nutrients and the metabolistic product in different parts of the body, and especially the body cells. And after performing the function metabolic activity inside the cell, जो waste product होते हैं उसको भी blood fetch करके, bloods also रिफाइन, दिस आर द पार्ट, एंड जस्ट एक्सक्रिएटरी प्रोडक्ट्स ऑल्सो वहां से निकल के आते हैं ब्लड के थ्रू. इन बिटवीन ब्लड्स एंड द सेल्स, in between there's a group of the cell that is known the tissue. In between जो लिक्विड वहां पर प्रेजेंट रहते हैं, जो हमारे ये पूरे सिस्टम ब्लड्स के थ्रू न्यूट्रिएंट्स पहुंचना, एंड देन आफ्टर वहां से सेल्स के अंदर से वो जो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट है वो निकल के फेच करके ले आने. इन बिटवीन एक फ्लूइड वहां कॉन्स्टेंटली रहते हैं एंड फ्लो होते हैं हमारे पूरे बॉडी में beside of the blood, because we all know that the place where the blood does not reach, जहां ब्लड नहीं पहुंच सकता, इन दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस लिम्फ पहुंचते हैं, एंड लिम्फ उस फंक्शन, ब्लड का ही फंक्शन को, जो ब्लड का फंक्शन है उसी को परफॉर्म करते हैं दैट प्लेसेस. सो इंटरस्टिशियल फ्लूइड एक्चुअली होते हैं टिश्यू फ्लूइड. क्लियर? Several type of the different type of cells are present, and the cells are grouping known as tissue, and that particular tissue ये जो blood nutrients और metabolism metabolic product जो supply करते हैं, वहां से waste product को fetch करते हैं. In between जो liquids वहां पर always present रहते हैं, that is lymph. क्लियर? अब डिफरेंस क्या है? ब्लड में दो पार्ट होता है, एक ब्लड प्लाज्मा होता है, एक ब्लड सेल होते हैं. लिम्फ, मैंने कहा लिम्फ और ब्लड प्लाज्मा ऑलमोस्ट सेम है. डिफरेंस ये है कि ब्लड प्लाज्मा में बहुत ज्यादा प्रोटीनियस मटेरियल्स होते हैं एंड फैट सॉल्युबल विटामिन्स को एब्सॉर्ब नहीं कर पाते हैं, या फिर बहुत लो कम लेवल पे करते हैं ब्लड, बिकॉज ब्लड में वाटर का पार्ट बहुत ज्यादा होता है. क्लियर? लिम्फ जो है, लिम्फ वाटर सॉल्युबल फैट्स को बहुत ज्यादा लिम्फ फैट सॉल्युबल विटामिन्स को एब्सॉर्ब करने में हमें हेल्प करते हैं. क्लियर? एंड सेकेंडली हमारे बॉडी में जहां ब्लड पहुंच नहीं पाते टिश्यूज के अंदर में, डिफरेंट स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स टिश्यूज के पार्ट में, ये यहाँ लिम्फ ब्लड जो काम करते हैं उसी को परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. सो दैट इज द रीजन आई गिव द डेफिनेशन लाइक दिस. ब्लड लिम्फ इज अ कलरलेस फ्लूइड and it is formed when the interstitial fluid from the body tissue is collected through the lymph capillaries. Lymph capillaries means jo branches, the path where the lymph flow throughout the body. You have seen there is a green color, there is a cervical lymph nodes, or I just marking over there. Just wait, I'm just doing this one. Yes, these are the parts of the lymphatic nodes I'm mentioning over here, or this is the different parts. Here also the axillary lymphatic nodes. Actually, nodes means there is a small round shaped part you have seen. These are the lymphatic nodes. All the capillaries are mixed up over there in this particular part, that is lymphatic nodes. Okay, and these are the small branches, that is the green color. These are the branches, that is the part. These are all at the whole throughout the body, but the green color, the small vein thread-like structure you have seen in this body, that is the lymph vessels. The lymph vessels carry the lymph, clear, throughout the body. So the composition of the tissue fluid and the lymph is the same as the blood plasma. I already told you that is blood plasma or lymphatic fluid जो होता है उसका composition almost same होता है, but the tissue fluid and the lymph have less protein. प्रोटीन का मात्रा जो होता है ब्लड प्लाज्मा में बहुत ज्यादा होता है, और लिम्फ पे उस प्रोटीन का मात्रा, whatever the proteinous part of the lymph, it is less. Clear? But I'm not telling you that is completely not there. It is प्रोटीन मात्रा रहते हैं because lymph maximum WBC कैरी करता है. WBC obviously it is a one of a cell, so proteinous part रहते हैं, लेकिन comparatively blood plasma से उसमें कम होते हैं. Prothrombin, fibrinogen, these are the parts, these are the proteinous part is not present in lymph. Clear? So lymph is derived from the interstitial fluid. मैंने अभी भी कहा जो हमारे टिश्यू फ्लूइड होते हैं, यानी कि ब्लड और टिश्यू के बीच में जो कंपोनेंट्स गिव एंड टेक पॉलिसी चलते हैं, उसके बीच में जो लिक्विड वहां पर ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट रहता है, जहां ब्लड परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाते हम उसको कंप्लीट करते हैं, दैट इज इंटरस्टिशियल फ्लूइड. इंटरस्टिशियल फ्लूइड इज रिजेंबल फॉर द ब्लड प्लाज्मा बट क्लियर एंड द वाटर, so it is called the filtered blood plasma. So this is always keep in your mind, dear friends, because sometimes the short type questions comes, that is the filtered blood. What is the name of scientific name of the filtered blood plasma? The answer is lymph. Lymph is renamed, or lymph also called filtered blood plasma. Clear? Now the lymphatic system consists, क्या क्या कौन सा पार्ट होता है हमारे lymph system में, यानी that means blood circulatory system, blood में जो different parts होता है, different paths होते हैं, artery, veins, venules, arterioles, capillaries, all are the different parts we know. Ultimately वो heart तक पहुंचते हैं. heart में blood का systematically heart हमारे body में blood को flow करते हैं, यानी कि जहाँ प्योरिफिकेशन के लिए लंग्स में भेजना या फिर प्योर ब्लड को बॉडी में flow karna, that is a function performed by the heart. Similarly, there's a lymph hole throughout the body. There's a lymph glands or the lymphatic vessels be sprayed where it is. These are the parts we differentiate like this way. First, that is the lymphatic vessels. That is duct. I already told you that is lymphatic vessels means these are the parts carry the lymph. Okay, lymph is the liquid blood, or filtered blood plasma. It is carried by lymphatic vessels. Then lymphatic nodes. I already show you. These are the small white color. These are the part I just making a nodes. Axillary lymph nodes, cervical lymph nodes. Different parts. Cervical means our brain part, or the there's a pituitary gland situated. These are the part that is the cervical nodes. I'm showing you that the axillary, that is our hands or the arm part or shoulder part. So all are these are the small round shape structure float, that is the node. Okay, second, that is the thymus. It is one of a lymph organ, a lymph producing part. Okay, thymus is a large lymph organ. It's a lymph producing. Spleen, spleen is the largest lymphatic gland. Clear? In human body. Our next slide, I will show that one. So now come on the next slide. Let's see what is there. Yes, I just explaining the different different parts which consist the lymphatic system, and that is the first part, that is lymphatic vessels. So what is lymphatic vessels? Friends, here I just show you one diagram, very clear diagram, and you have seen this is a green color part. It's a red, and this is a red part that that is arteriole, oxygenated blood carried, and there is a venule or so-called, that is the veins, small branch को venule कहते हैं. Venule, that is deoxygenated, so it is in the blue color. In between, this is the part that is the capillary. Not, I'm talking about the green part. This is the tissue fluid is present in between. These are the these are the capillaries in this place. Okay, this is the place the tissue fluid is present over there. That is green colored part you have seen over there. This is the green color. That is the lymphatic vessels. Clear? This is the lymphatic vessels. Now, the one question arises in our mind. Obviously, हम सोच सकते हैं कि ये lymphatic vessels के अंदर lymph आते कहाँ से है? Actually, it is this is the part you have seen the black color arrows. It is show that the blood exchange the nutrients and the metabolic components into the different cells. So one by one, you already know this, in our bodies build up of the various different type of other cells, and a group of the similar type of the cells, that is called the tissue. So हमारे venules or tissues, venules or arterioles, or so called, that is artery or the veins के बीच में ये blood जो यहाँ पर cells absorb कर रहे हैं, and then after again reabsorption take place, that is the waste materials को निकाल रहे हैं. इसके बीच में एक liquid जो, this is the cells you have seen over there. These are the cell part. Liquid हमेशा presence रहता है. That liquids are flow in. These are the green vessels. Have you seen? This is the green part. These are the vessels. It is flow. Okay. And this flow positively the one direction, because valve is present. Lymphatic vessel also consists the valve, which just ensure that the lymph flow in the correct direction. Okay, so these are the lymph vessels carry the lymph. That is the one green color part, that is the lymph vessels, and the lymph vessel combinedly together, just like a capillary. You have seen there's a venules and the arterioles make a net-shaped structure, that is we call that blood capillary. Similarly, the blood vessel, lymphatic vessels also make up the green color of the part, that is the makeup of the that is a net-like structure. This is known as the lymph capillary. Okay, that is a lymph capillary part. Yeah, this is. So here also on one of that's a tissue fluid. Tissue fluid actually in the middle of this other part, the tissue and blood vessels. That means the group of the cells and the blood vessels. In दोनों के बीच में जो आपसी लेन देन होते हैं nutrients का, metabolic products का, जो भी and waste products also removed by this blood streams. In between ये जो liquids रहते हैं, that is known as the tissue fluid, interstitial fluid or the tissue fluid. Correct? Okay. So next, that is the just read that one. Lymphatic vessel starts as the lymph capillaries between the tissue cells, and they drain the lymph, the tissue all over the body and back to the bloodstream. मैंने ऑलरेडी आप लोगों को बोले हैं, जहां जिस पार्ट पे ब्लड नहीं पहुंचते उसी पार्ट पे लिम्फ पहुंच के उस काम को, सेम ब्लड का काम कोई वो कंप्लीट करते हैं, एंड देन आफ्टर व्हाटएवर द वेस्ट मटेरियल्स एंड व्हाटएवर द थिंग्स want to remove waste materials remove from that, this is the वही सब चीज को लाके फिर वो टिश्यू फ्लूइड्स जो है ये स्ट्रीम में डालते हैं, ब्लड के थ्रू वो दोबारा रिफाइन होने के लिए हमारे बॉडी के डिफरेंट और अदर ऑर्गन्स में चले जाते हैं. So that is the lymphatic vessels, also the muscular activity of the lymph vessels, and valve inside the vessels I already told that is the valve is present over there, and this valve ensure करते हैं कि lymph का flow कौन सा direction में होगा. It is ensured that the lymph flow in the correct direction or not. Clear? Now lymphatic capillaries is present in the interstitial villi. Villi means actually the grove. You have seen the groves are there. That is called the villi. This is the grove. That is the part. This is the one grove. That is then another different type of the groves. That is known as the villi part. These are the parts of villis are. It is called the lacteals. Okay. And these are associated with the absorption and the transportation of the fat and the fat soluble vitamins. I already told in the beginning that is that lymph is one of a very good source, or a very good this performing very properly. There is a fat soluble vitamins को absorb करने में transfer. Fat soluble vitamins in our body, that is A, D, E, K. These are the fat soluble vitamins. There are several vitamins B, C, P, that is water soluble vitamins, and A, D, E, K. These are the 4 vitamins mainly absorbed by our cells in our body, that is due to the lymph function. Clear? Now the next slide, I will just going to show this. The next slide explain the different parts of there. There's a lymphatic nodes. Previously I've already told there's a lymphatic nodes, there's the auxiliary nodules. These are also the nodes of the lymphatic. That is the small red color. These are the nodes you have seen here. This is the nodes, lymphatic nodes. It is the located the lymphatic vessels through which the lymph passes. Lymphatic nodes contain the lymphocytes, plasma cells, and macrophages. I already told lymph already consists with the lymphocytes. Lymphocytes, that is the white blood cells. Okay, so lymphocytes, blood, plasma cells. Plasma cells means that is beside the plasma. There's a different type of the proteins are there. Except all the proteins are not present in those, but a few proteins, that is a few the antibodies. Or the that is the plasma cells, that is all a different type of the blood cells which is presence in the blood plasma. Few cells are also present over there, and macrophages means these are the used for the just fighting or just destroy the pathogens. So lymphocytes, plasma cells, and macrophages ये रहते हैं lymph में. So lymphatic node, it is the main part where the blood lymph vessels are join each other. And the next, that is the thymus. Thymus and the spleen. Thymus is the large lymphatic organ. Okay, this is the thymus. This is the pink color part. You have seen over the thymus. This is the thymus part. Actually, it is the large lymph organ. Okay, this is the anterior part of the thoracic and the lower part of the neck. In just behind our neck, the lower part, this is the gland is present over there. Tonsil. It is also one of a lymphatic tissue. Tonsil is present, that is a one of a lymphatic tissue, and these are the aggregation of the lymphatic nodules. These are the nodules, these small nodes, aggregation, group of the lymph tissue. This is composed the tonsil. Okay, it is enclosed with a mucous membrane. एक mucous membrane से घिरे हुए रहते हैं, and just the function it's a junction of the oral cavity and the pharynx. Oral cavity means हमारे buccal cavity जो मुंह के अंदर का cavity होता है, हमारे pharynx मतलब हमारे जहाँ से sound voice box जो है, तो इन दोनों के बीच में ये रहते हैं tonsils. Next, that is spleen. I already told spleen होता है हमारे body का सबसे बड़ा lymphatic organ. This is the largest. Thymus, it is also a large lymphatic organ, but it is not the largest. Spleen is the largest lymphatic organ. This is the spleen. ये रेड कलर का जो अब दिख रहा है, ये हुआ स्प्लीन. स्प्लीन हमारी ह्यूमन बॉडी में सबसे बड़ा लिम्फोटिक ऑर्गन होते हैं. ठीक है, ये हमारे डायफ्राम के स्टोमक एंड डायफ्राम के बीच में वहां पर रहते हैं. एंड दिस आर द टू टाइप ऑफ द टिश्यूज आर प्रेजेंट इन द लिम्फ. एक व्हाइट टिश्यू, दैट इज द लिम्फेटिक टिश्यू, एंड द रेड टिश्यू. इस रेड टिश्यू में यू हैव सीन द रेड कलर. रेड टिश्यू में एक्चुअली द वेनस ब्लड जो है और टिश्यू कॉर्ड्स के थ्रू जो कॉन्सिस्ट होता है माइक्रोफेगस और डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ पैथोजेंस को ग्रैब करने के बाद जो WBC उसको उसके कंपैरेटिवली एंटीबॉडी क्रिएट करता है. दिस आर द रीजन. दिस इज द व्हाइट पल्प आल्सो बी देयर. Okay, so red pulp there. White pulp, that is the lymphatic tissues, and the red pulp, that is because of the venous blood, carbon dioxide generated blood or deoxygenated blood. For the next slide, that is I just compare the lymph with the blood. What is the difference between the lymph and the blood? So friend, तीन very important things मैंने यहाँ पर mention किया है. Normally there is so many difference over there, but basic difference, that is color. Blood का color हमेशा red होता है because of the hemoglobin, conjugated protein presence over the heme and globin. But lymph colorless because lymph में RBC नहीं रहते हैं, and hemoglobin always carries, or you know that hemoglobin presence in RBC, erythrocytes. Erythrocyte is absent in a lymph. That is the reason it is colorless. White blood cells are present over there, and white blood cell does not contain hemoglobin. Composition of the blood. इसमें composition क्या होता है? Composition wise, because friends हमारे जो class 10th का questions आते हैं, उन questions में maximum जो difference पूछा जाता है वो particular topic mention किया जाता है, नहीं इस topic के basis पे पूछा जाता है. That is the reason I just differentiate like this way. या तो पूछे last few years questions अगर आप देखोगे तो you can understand there the topic given in the bracket and then ask what is the differentiate between these and that on the basis of this part. So that is according to the composition basis. Blood consists plasma and blood cell. Blood cell, you know very well, two parts in the blood. That's a blood plasma, which contains the maximum amount of the water, and minimum very 0.1% or something, that is a proteinous part of that. But the blood cells, that is another part. It is contained the three basic cell, that is the erythrocytes, yeah, RBC, leukocytes, WBC, and the thrombocytes, platelets. So ये तीनों जो है ये blood cell का main part होते हैं, and you know very well, I have already explained my previous videos also what are the function of that one. So I'm not explaining over here. Earlier, just telling you that is the blood consists the plasma and the blood cells over that. So lymph consists of the plasma and the leukocytes. Only previously also I told that one. Plasma इसमें obviously रहते हैं, कुछ proteinous part जो plasma का है वो यहाँ भी रहते हैं, and specially blood जो है वो हमारे minerals को blood body में यानी cells डिफरेंट सेल्स में कैरी करने में ज्यादा हेल्प करता है. न्यूट्रिएंट्स रहता है तो उसमें आयंस भी कैरी होता है, मिनरल्स सॉल्ट्स भी कैरी होते हैं बहुत ज्यादा. लेकिन लिम्फ जो होता है, ये लिम्फ हमारी बॉडी में मेनली जो कन्वे करते हैं वो मटेरियल्स होते हैं टिश्यू सेल्स में और ब्लड में, लेकिन वो उसमें आपका मिनरल्स का पार्ट ज्यादा नहीं होते हैं बिकॉज इसमें लिम्फ का जो कंपोजिशन होते हैं वो बेसिकली व्हाइट ब्लड सेल्स. दैट मीन्स वो आउटसाइडर पैथोजेंस के साथ एंटीबॉडी क्रिएट करने में ज्यादा participate करते हैं. So blood contain various plasma protein and the high concentration of the calcium and the phosphorus. Very, very important two minerals. Please keep in your mind, okay? Calcium and the phosphorus. This concentration is very high in the blood. But the lymph contain very few protein, less concentration, and calcium and phosphorus also present, but their level is very low. Clear? So basic difference, I want to focus that the blood consists few are the plasma, few are the proteinous part, which is not present in the lymph. That is the reason lymph is little bit less thicker than blood. Simple. Second, and the last point is according to the function wise, अगर हम लोग इसको differentiate करते हैं तो blood mainly transport the minerals from the one organ to the another organ in the body, but lymph mainly convey the materials from the cell tissue cells. Blood directly हमारे body में जो nutrients है, जो minerals है, उसको convey करता है one cells and the cells में, and you know very well that is the osmosis diffusion process में वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह उसको convey कर सकते हैं tissue cells में. लेकिन lymph जो होते हैं वो tissue cell के अंदर में blood और टिश्यू सेल्स के बीच में एक्सचेंज होने के बाद इन बिटवीन वट एवर एक्सचेंज लेफ्ट, दैट मीन्स ब्लड जो फंक्शन नहीं कंप्लीट किए, दैट इज द फंक्शन कंप्लीट बाय द लिम्फ. एंड सो लिम्फ मेनली कन्वे द मटेरियल्स व्हिच इज ब्लड ऑलरेडी कन्वे टू देम, एंड दिस इज द पार्ट. ओके, सो दैट इज द मेनली कन्वे materials from the tissue cell into the blood. So these are the basic difference between the bloods and the lymph. So I hope friends, today's topic I have already covered up your syllabus. So regarding any kind of the things I just left, please do mention in the in your I mean that is the comment box. And as usual, if you please just see the whole video properly, and regarding any kind of the queries or any kind of the difficulties you are facing, or in any type of the comments or anything, you can write down in the message box. Okay, if you like, press the like button, and obviously just share the video if you think that it's okay. And secondly, you don't forget to subscribe my channel and please place the bell icon for the further new updation. So thank you.